Hello. We got the goods. Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a sweatshirt in Florida, it's because I am a lobster underneath, so I'm already starting to sweat. This beautiful box from Amazon Prime is all of the decorations that we're gonna do in the RV. Well, some decorations, some storage stuff, but I did a big order after my last video where I did all the storage stuff. I guess you just, oh God. Don't listen to it that much, guys. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Here we got the white tile backsplash that's gonna go behind the kitchen, and I went and measured all of this a couple days ago to make sure we had enough, so I did know that I had to order 2. It's like peel and stick, so we're gonna stick it on the wall. It's gonna look like that, and we're gonna do that today. It's gonna take a little while. I was reading the reviews, and they're like, this is not an easy task. It takes a while. I was like, okay. So that's the biggest task of the day. What are these? Oh, do I have to get an actual pillow? No. Okay, I thought these are gonna be real pillows. They're just pillow covers, but that's okay. These are green. This is not, oh, this is what I like. So I like this one and this one. And so I guess I'll have to get some little 18 by 18 pillow inserts, and it'll just make the place look a little more like a house, because we're not doing any crazy renovations. We're not like redoing the couches or anything like that. But just putting some blankets and pillows will make a difference, I think. What is this?
I think that's the vacuum.
Oh, I think you're right. Obviously, in a small space, it gets dirty really fast. And we've been using like a mini sweeper. But it's just kind of hard to get everything, and this will be a lot quicker. And this was pretty cheap. I think it was like $35, so I'll let you know how we like it. By the way, I think this total was $130. In addition to our IKEA run of $180. I feel like I'm gonna make a little list and do a grand total later. What is this? Oh yeah, okay. I mentioned this at IKEA in my last video, but we wanted to get some magazine holders to stick up against the side of the wall, like right when you walk into the trailer, and just to store like little things. Lastly, we got these hooks, but this will just drill into the cabinets underneath and inside. We'll probably use this to hang the fruit basket and whatever else. Oh, the only other thing that hasn't come in yet, it's coming in tomorrow, is the paper towel rack. So we're gonna put that up on the cabinets just to hold the paper towel roll. Yay, I'm excited. All right, so next up is backsplash.
Oh, Joe, come here.
You have a key?
I think I gave it to you.
I don't have it.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Thank you, sir.
Our humble abode.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's not as hot as I expected.
And he's in his spot.
This is my spot. So I'm hanging these string lights up around this area just to make it cute. I got this out of my room. I hung this above my bed, but yeah, I wanted to put it in here. So I'm gonna do that now. We're trying to do everything, and for some reason, the AC will not turn on. Mojo says I'm hot too. So, we did some investigating and found out that the 2 propane tanks are empty. So we're gonna have to go get some more before we do everything, because it is 90 degrees in the trailer currently.
It's too hot.
Too hot to do anything.
No.
And we haven't had...
Nice and empty.
Yeah, that's totally empty.
Yeah, this is empty too.
Alright, yeah, we'll go get some more. Alright, so these are the stick and peel backsplash that we're gonna be putting all across here, and a little bit in the bathroom. You just peel off this front part, and this is what the outside layer is, and then once you peel off this plastic part, it'll be sticky on the back, and then you can just stick it all along. We're gonna have to cut this part. Peeling sticky. Alright, so Dylan is now tracing where the tile hits the window, so we can cut it. So he scotch taped it to the wall, then we're going to take it off and cut it before we stick it on.
Scissors now.
Another episode of, or I should say day, of decorating the RV.
With Dylan!
With Dylan, but basically decorating the RV, the majority of it is putting this freaking black backsplash on. It's a lot more time intensive than we had anticipated. And to top it all off, as you can see by my glowing, sweaty face, it's 85 degrees outside, which means it's like 95 degrees in here, because we can't seem to work the air conditioning. And in extremely hot Florida, that's a problem. We've pretty much only been in cold places besides now, so we're gonna have to figure that out, but we don't have time for that right now. All we got time for is decoration and backdropping.
The woman's putting in some work here.
Don't, I'm sweating. I'm sweating like a mofo.
Put her on the wall then.
Okay. Hopefully this is gonna fit. Alright. It's about as good as it's gonna get. Good morning, everyone. It's been a bit of a upset. Another one.
Yeah, our wall peeled off.
Welcome to Florida, where everything melts. I get a call from Dylan. He goes, we have a problem. Like, what else could go wrong at this point?
Well, at least we have a new set coming in today.
Yeah, I don't think we told them that.
We ran out of tiles. So we ordered some 2 days ago and we wanted to put some in the bathroom, but found out that we only had 2 left.
Should we even try and put these up in Florida, or?
No, we shouldn't put those up. No,
Like
look,
what?
these stay.
I know, why are these ones still up? Like, what is the difference?
So I'm thinking can run to like Home Depot today.
Yeah.
And pick up spray adhesive, which is used
okay.
for wallpaper.
Mm-hmm. It's raining. What is going on?
That's why Mojo ran in here.
Mojo's like, it was wet out there.
Things I do for you.
I believe in you. All the drill bits are in the car, or else I wouldn't be making him do this.
Wait, it's like 2 inches of water on ground. At least the awning works. Ugh.
Oh, that was easy. Let's do this.
Normally I use a pilot hole, but I don't have a drill bit for it.
Did it not work?
Oh, it did.
Oh, sweet. Did something work? Okay, I'm ready. Oh, baby! She is magnetic. She is a magnetic force of nature. Woo! This is... We actually completed a task. Boom. Now that we have put up the knife rack, our next project is this bar thing that we are gonna hang right here. We got this from IKEA in our last video.
You want something like this for sure on the wall.
Yeah.
We already put little markers on the walls where we wanna drill it in. Let's get to it, sir.
Do that.
Oh yeah. I love when things work. First of all, can we get like an outfit check? You know, I thought today I would wear my really old shorts from high school coupled with my paint splattered man tank from senior year in high school. You can't beat this outfit.
Can we just put the thing on?
Sorry. Alright, so it's a slightly lopsided, but we're just gonna deal with that.
actually
Look
see
at
it.
that! I'm actually obsessed with that. So we'll get obviously a plant, we'll put that in there and it'll look so good. Oh, I'm excited for the next project. You know what it is. It's the fruit basket. No, fruit
sack.
hammock. Not a fruit sack. We opened this and there was two. I don't really know why. This one's normal, okay? Well, it's not even normal. This looks like a fat person's granny panties. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm not wrong, okay? Hopefully, when I hang it with fruit in it, it won't look so weird. This one is like a size small grandma granny panties.
You know what they look like? They
why
look
is
like
this
the
so funny?
They look like the 90s bathing suits.
Dylan, this is for you, and this is for me. How do I look?
Go and do this. Bam.
Boom!
It's actually kind of cool. I like that.
I do too.
I think that's the last of what we're able to do today because the rest of the tiles come in today.
Yeah,
But you and I have to go to work now.
we do.
So, this is just our little morning project.
Okay, well thank you so much for watching. This was a lot of fun. Definitely not what we expected, but that's okay. The next time you see me, I'm gonna be giving you a grand tour of the RV, which I've gotten requested so many times, so I'm finally doing it. We'll do a little before and after. So make sure you subscribe and click the little bell so you know when I post it. Usually I post every Thursday. Hopefully we'll have the whole wallpaper thing figured out. So make sure you subscribe and tune in for next week and for our adventures out west. All right, bye!